Black Friday is here, and this is the biggest discount we have ever offered here at PilotByte. For the next few days only, you can save $200 store-wide on both our flagship online programs: Drone Mapping Mastery version 3 and Aerial LiDAR Fundamentals version 1. Both have lifetime access, so you never have to pay for an update. And if you bundle them together, you'll save a total of $550. If you've been waiting for the right moment to improve your technical skills, this is it. For those of you wanting hands-on training in 2026, we're taking it even further. Right now, you can save up to $1,000 on our 2-day drone mapping or LiDAR workshops, but only during this Black Friday window. These will sell out very fast. In our drone mapping workshop, you'll get hands-on with the DJI M4E and soon the additional NDAA compliant systems that we are bringing into the classroom. Within our 2-day drone mapping mastery workshop, you'll be able to master 2D mapping, 3D modeling, as well as high accuracy systems like doing RTK, ground control points, and PPK, as well as creating those deliverables. In our LiDAR workshop, you'll train with the DJI M400 and L2, and then soon the L3. Similar to our drone mapping master workshop, you'll learn how to master data collection with LiDAR, understanding accuracies, understanding how LiDAR technology actually works, who's paying for it, and how to create those high quality deliverables. Both of these workshops are an incredible way to build real-world technical skills, make industry connections, and walk away with a certificate that actually means something. These deals only come around once a year, and once they're gone, they're gone. So if you want guaranteed accuracy, real-world workflows, and training built to elevate your capabilities, now is the time. So be sure to check those links down below. For our online courses, the deals are already applied. And then for our 2026 workshops, whether it's your drone mapping or the LiDAR, we also have those deals embedded down below. So with that being said, I hope to see you guys there.